Environ Property Services offers professional anti-fungal and biocide solutions for your home. Mould can damage your cherished clothing and soft furnishings in your home, and worse still, can pose serious health risks including agitation of allergies and respiratory conditions.
And then we come into the bathroom. This is where the fun begins. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Right. Absolutely disgusting. Absolutely. Look at this. Look. This is the bathroom scene. Unbelievable. Look at that.
It doesn't have to get this bad. Please get in touch with us today and our specialist coordinators will be happy to arrange your free mould consultation.